Okay, so Fusion loading OBJ with textures. I received the following command. So within Fusion, we have the possibility to import meshes over here. So let's take a look at the following case study. I'm going to go within Vizcom, and this is the following model. So I'm just going to download this as an OBJ so we can load it directly within Fusion. And I want to see if the texture will also load. So we see that currently Vizcom is packing the model. This will be an OBJ, that means it will also be archived. The other file formats over here, GLB, FBX, will have the texture integrated within the same file, but Fusion doesn't have the possibility to load those directly. So within import mesh, I can select from my computer, from downloads, and these are the file formats. So STL, but with no texture, 3MF, or OBJ. Now, we should have this packed. I'm just gonna download it again because I didn't receive the notification that the file is currently being ready, even though it might have already been packed and downloaded from Vizcom, but let's take a look over here. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to have that prepared. So the mesh should finally be packed. I'm just gonna go within downloads over here. So yeah, we have the model over here ready. So I can have it extracted over here, and this will be the model. Now within Fusion, let's see if it will have texture. I'm just gonna import directly from downloads. This will be the file. So I'm just gonna hit open, and we're gonna see that the file will now be loaded. And I'm just gonna flip this. And as you can see, the texture is not loaded. Now I'm pretty sure that the texture is not properly assigned over here. So I'm gonna go within Blender and I'm gonna have that re-exported. So let's quickly take a look at this. You can use any version of Blender for this because we just need to resave the OBJ file. So I'm gonna go within File, Import OBJ, within Downloads, we have the following model. And we're gonna see that the texture is not linked over here as well. So that means I need to go within Shading. And over here, I need to select that. Now we see the texture. This is like this. So this will be the diffuse. In this case, 12. This is the one that we are interested for Fusion. We just need to link that to the base color. And now I will need to re-export this. So File, Export, OBJ. I want the selection, and within the same folder, I'm just gonna call this T1, let's say. I'm gonna hit export. And now within Fusion, I'm just gonna load that again. So I'm just gonna delete the original one, which is the following. File, import mesh. From the same folder, I'm just gonna load T1, and this should now have that texture linked. So let's take a look. Fusion is currently loading the model, and as we can see, now this will have the texture applied. So this is the main problem. Depending on the OBJ file that you are using, maybe the links are not all set. That means that Fusion will not know exactly how to load that file in. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.